Hello guys, welcome to Menchi Masala. Today we are making a Mumbai biryani. This is the biryani ingredients. This is the basmati, Indian basmati, authentic. Wow! This is very aromatic rice, basmati rice. So we have the ingredient stuff, a minchi, a coriander, tomato, garlic, onion, spices. This is called waswasi. That means the jadi patri, cinnamon stick, cardamom, cloves, candle, curry leaves, and ginger garlic paste, tomato puree. This is the Greek curd. So we are ready for the ingredient right now. So we are going to make right now. First, this is the ghee, the best ghee, India. So now we are for the oil, the 200 milliliter oil, 200, 300, no problem. This is the Mumbai, Bombay biryani. Nice, beautiful. While making that, you can soak the rice into the water around half an hour. Color is brown color, golden brown color. So half a piece you have to keep it, and then add the tomato puree. Ginger garlic paste, ghee. This is the ghee. Until separate the salt a little bit. Until separate the curdle mixture. Then you have to put into the chicken chunky. Wow, that's chunks, nice. How to cook while you have to put the chicken. You have to put the garlic and chicken, garlic and ginger paste. Curry leaf and thyme, spices, all the spices. And this is the secret recipe, Menchi Masala secret recipe ingredients. This is the biryani mixture. This is the Greek yogurt. You have to put a little bit Greek yogurt until the blend and bind the mixture where it has been. Lovely texture. It's beautiful. Wow, that's great. A little bit coriander and minchi and mint leaves. The handful stuff. That's wow, really nice appearance while the making. And chili, green chili, the whole chili have to put it. The green chili. Wow, that is very colorful. It's lovely, fantastic. Well, I need to cover. You, Abdurrahman, you have to cover this? Okay, chalo, okay. The super golden crispy onion. Wow, that's great. Now finish the cook. This is the biryani mixture. Nice color. Now we have to make another works. I will show you. The rice we boiled half, like 70% boiled. You can see the long grain basmati. Wow, this is nice. Let's see. Wow, almond and sultanas is frying with the ghee. Yes, talipu, vagar talipu. Now we're starting to dump. Mumbai biryani is now close to finish. Finally, we take this cover, cover. Dump the biryani. Wow. Now finish the dum biryani. Wow. Nice aroma. Now I have to take the taste. Wow, nice aroma. Wow. What a aromatic. Oh. Delicious Mumbai biryani. Superior. The taste பண்ணதுக்கு நல்ல நைசுவே மிக்க நைசுவே மகிழ்ச்சி இந்த சிக்கன் பீஸோட நல்லா வெந்தீங்கன்னா சூப்பர் டெண்டர் Okay guys. நல்ல ஃப்ரைட் சிக்கன் இது ஃப்ரைட் சிக்கனை பாருங்க நல்லா இதாயிருக்கு ஓகே
Sweet, sour.
It's very delicious tender super tender chicken. The fried chicken is very beautiful. Taste also very Mumbai. See the look at the appearance of the rice. Okay guys, this is another video. Minchi.